In this topic, we'll understand about the meaning of rural development and the definition of rural development. Rural development. Rural development means development of the rural areas in very simple language. But initially, when rural development was started, it was more focused on the development of agriculture. By development of agriculture, I mean high quality of seeds, better fertilizers, better mechanization in the agricultural industry. But are rural areas just considering agricultural activities only? No. In rural development, we also include other factors like over here in the table shown over here. In the table, we can clearly see that rural development is not only considering agriculture, but it is also considering the village industries that are there. Apart from that, village industries, how do we develop village industries? By bringing mechanization, better industries, better facilities, skillful workmen from urban areas who can actually train the people over there. Apart from that, in rural development, there is education, in which they teach about education, agriculture, how to conduct agriculture in a better way, and different skills to pursue different kinds of occupation in future, which are related to agriculture or not related to agriculture. Apart from that, there is one more thing that is included, and that is services. What are the different services that we are talking about? It also includes a lot of variety of service, as we all know already. In rural development, we will consider the services that are there. What services? Services related to communication, related to banking. They are going to train the people in the rural areas about the same. Now, apart from that, there was a definition that was given by World Bank. It was a definition to make it simpler. We will understand it in simple words. Now, over here, World Bank defined the rural development as strategy designed to improve economic and social life. Strategy that is designed to improve economic and social life. Whose economic and social life we are talking about? It is about the rural poor, the people who are living in the rural areas and are poor. Apart from that, it is extending the benefits of trade and various services amongst the poorest. It's not about, rural development is not about for everybody who is existing in the rural areas. It is poorest amongst the people who are living over there and who cannot even seek basic livelihood, who are not even able to afford basic livelihood. Rural development is specially for them. It is for the people who are landless, who do not have land to even practice their own agriculture, tenants who are taking land on rent and then practicing agriculture. So it is basically for all those people. Rural development is basically a subdivision of the term development. In that, we have rural development and urban development. In rural occupations, we can divide it into three parts. When I speak about rural occupations can be divided into various parts: agricultural sector, industrial sector, and service sector. Agricultural sector can be divided in agriculture and activities that are allied to agriculture. Activities that are allied to agriculture means fishing, plantations, animal husbandry, and all these functions. They are also termed under the agricultural sector. Apart from the agricultural sector, we have the second one, that is the industrial sector. In this, it involves the processing of raw material, production of a finished goods. All these activities also happen in the rural areas. Industries do exist in some amount or in a major amount in the rural areas as well. So what do you mean? In this, we have small industry, cottage industry, rural industries. So all these are forming under the industrial sector in the rural areas. Apart from that, we have the service sector in rural areas. These services include communication, banking, exactly like in the urban areas. Service sector is also termed as tertiary sector in layman's language. So we have three sectors basically in the rural occupation as well: agricultural sector, industrial sector, and the service sector. Thank you.